semi-automatic coffee machines. With brand revolution, it comes with commercial-grade configurations like dual boilers, rotary pumps, composite brew heads, and temperature-controlled brain beating. In this episode, we will conduct a comprehensive review of it. First, let's talk about the appearance. The entire machine weighs 46 pounds, which is very solid. The milky white metal body has a full texture, and the sides have a baffle design, making it look very integrated and harmonious from the side. The front features a small insignia with a huge reorganization module. It is exactly the same model as their 3028, but an optimized version of the composite punch column head, EM, which is also their classic patented design. It uses the same chrome-plated bright silver material as the drip tray. Although it might be a bit socially awkward during filming, it is still very beautiful. The overall panel is quite simple, with buttons, dual pressure gauges, a touch screen, an independent hot water outlet, and an extra long temperature sensing steam wand. All operations are clear at a glance, and with a 2.5-liter large water tank, it is naturally equipped with an automatic water inlet and outlet function, making it suitable for commercial use. In terms of core configuration, the machine uses a commercial-grade imported rotary pump, providing stable power and minimal noise. With the addition of independent dual boilers, even with continuous cup production, it can deliver very stable results. Even when used in a store, producing 100 cups a day is no problem at all. The lifetime steam boiler provides very strong steam with quick response. You can observe the steam pressure gauge, and even after 2 minutes of steaming, it remains strong. The steam wand is equipped with an NTC temperature sensor. You can preset the milk temperature, allowing for automatic stop at the desired temperature for precise milk frothing. Whether it's for latte art practice for beginners or commercial production, it is efficient and time-saving. This is a very practical feature. The coffee machine's touchscreen also has many adjustable parameters. Once set, it truly allows for hands-free operation. Enjoy the freedom of latte art. I paired it with the upgraded 9-15C grinder in the same color scheme. Adjusting the grind is more convenient. The newly added plasma fine hammer bean hopper and the blade disc have been upgraded to a 64mm flat burr, making it very pleasant to use. This high-end combination, priced over $7K, represents the entry of coffee machines into everyday households. Whether for light commercial use or home use, I believe it's a choice that meets all needs. In the next episode, I'll teach you how to use the coffee machine and grinder, as well as how to adjust the parameters, so be sure to watch.